For me, it's just coming in and doing my job every single day. For my peers, my colleagues to think that I'm an expert in our clinical area of nursing is just a very rewarding feeling.
I do love helping people. I didn't know that early on, but I do love helping people. I didn't really think anybody cared much about that. That's just become my lifestyle. I didn't think it was abnormal. I didn't think it was worth an award.
I guess I didn't know how rewarding it would be to become a nurse. Honestly, as nurses, we're just ingrained to always think of better ways to help improve patient care.
To get a nomination from everyone that I work with every day, and to getting a nomination from my managers and assistant nurse managers shows that I'm helping them out, and that's all I've ever really wanted, is to kind of take some stuff off of other people's plates and be useful in my career.
The only thing that is constant as nursing is that nothing is constant. You can't go into this job thinking, well, I've always done it this way. The patient is always going to teach you more than any textbook will, because they have to live the disease. They have to live what's going on. They can give you those little nuances that's going to make you the best nurse that you can be if you take the time to listen.
I will bring like the new hires, nursing assistants, nurses a day with me, show them all the products, everything we have, just give them how to really do a thorough skin assessment, that we make sure we're doing the best we can for all of our patients all the time.
I come to work every day because I love who I work with. I love the patients that we get. I like working with the doctors, the therapists. I'm not really one I don't like to boast or brag or anything, but reading the nominations that my team and other people gave me was a really good feeling.
When they called me and told me that I won the award, I was not expecting that at all. My manager actually told me to expect a call for an interview for something completely different, so I was very caught off guard with that. I was very proud to be there to kind of showcase my work in a sense, just that something or somebody else had noticed the things that I've done, and it made me feel really good.
Being an educator can be challenging because you don't really know if the way that you're teaching is really reaching people. There's so many different learners out there and different ways of learning. So being nominated by my peers was a pretty big validation that at least I was doing something right. I don't even know how many people are lucky enough to say that they've won multiple awards, but it's an honor, you know. Maybe I'll shoot for 3.
When I found out I won the award, I was actually preparing my team for their awards that they won. So I'm holding my cell phone and my cell phone rings and I'm like, why are they calling me? And my team is like, answer it, answer it. And I just remember breaking down and crying and just feeling humbled that my team would recognize me in that way.
I love to help students, and I love to help new grads and people who've been in the field very experienced. I love to help them. I'm always learning myself. You have to have an open mind, and I just love learning. I love showing others what I've learned, and they like to teach me too, so.
I do give my all. I feel like I give everything I have to take care of my patients. We do a lot of things to support the nurses and the physicians. I was speechless just knowing how many aides there are in the entire organization.
Something that I really privy myself to be is somebody that is very in tune to doing the small stuff and trying to be a very type A person and making sure that everything is done correctly. And that is exciting to know that my coworkers were the ones that picked up on that and really saw that I was trying to make a difference.